Hi everyone, my husband's gonna help me today to install the LED video light. So this is the video light, and with the dimmer, it's connected to the dimmer, and the cable where you can connect it to the through the USB flash, like through the computer or on a wall port. This is the handle, and that's the screw where you can turn it in. Oh, that's how you can extend the light handle. And you can install the tripod from below to make it stand on your desk. It rotates back and forth if you loosen the screw from the side. And then you can tighten the screw to fix it on the position that you choose. And then there is this screw on the other side where you can rotate it right and left. So basically you can rotate the light however direction convenient for you. It's very sturdy as well. And now my husband is going to connect it to the laptop USB to show us the light. Using the dimmer, you can adjust the brightness from 10 to 100, 10 level brightness, and 5600K color temperature. We are using right now the white filter. It comes with 6 colors, 6 filter colors. I will show it to you very shortly. So now we will see how we can change the brightness levels using the dimmer. Also, in the settings, you can choose the light to blink instead of a steady light, like here. It's blinking. You can see how it's blinking. Now we're changing the filter, and you can remove it conveniently and easily from the top port. There's a little opening at the top where you can remove the filter and choose the color of which you need. It comes with 6 colors, and we will see right now the blue, the red, the yellow, orange, green. Now we are going to try the blue color by inserting the blue in the place of the white. We'll put the green one. And it's matching his hat. This is the orange, this is the red color. It feels like orange. This is the orange color. Guys, this is the orange color. And this is the yellow color. And this is the red color. And you can see how the lights are blinking. My husband has it on blinking mode. Now we will show you how we will install the light to the tripod directly. You can install the tripod to the handle directly, but I'm gonna show you first how to do it light to tripod, how I prefer it personally, where I can just place it on my desk. It's small, convenient, very space saving, and it's very sturdy. Actually, it stands still in its place. It's very convenient. Look, He removed his hands. He's not touching it, so it's standing still in its place very well. We actually have two sets of lights in this box, two sets of filters, two sets of tripods, two sets of handles. So it's in total two sets of video light with all its accessories, two screws as well. I'm gonna show you at the end how it all looks like. He's installing right now the second light from SAMTIAN brand. You can find it on Amazon. And the handle as well extends. It's very, guys, it's very sturdy. It's a really good quality, very high quality. You will know once you feel it and touch it. The dimmer is really good, and it has its second set of filters as well. I'll show you how we will install the tripod on the handle next. So now we are installing the tripod on the handle to show you how it stands using the tripod. So you put the screw, you place it below, and then you turn it around to screw it in. And then you can place it on any surface. It will not fall down, or you will not have hard time to place it on any surface as long as it's straight. You can extend it or make it short. I hope you enjoyed this video review for the SAMTIAN light video. Thank you for watching.